This video will provide viewers a brief overview on editing your teacher section on our new website. Before we talk through the editing process, we need to take a quick look around the new district site to familiarize ourselves with the layout and terminology. Let's start at the district homepage. The My Start bar appears at the top of the screen. You'll see translate options, user options, and social media links. Under the User Options drop-down, you will see the option to sign in. We'll come back to this area in a bit. The channel bar appears in purple on every district site and page. As you hover over each of the channel names, you may see sections appear in the drop-down menus. In some instances, like the Departments channel, you will need to click on the channel name to see a directory listing. As we scroll down the page, we can see content displayed in a variety of formats. The content is added in the editor through apps. Let's move over to a campus site. You will see similarities to the district site here. On the campus sites, there are a few additional channels available. Notice there is a Teachers channel. Clicking on the Teachers channel will display the directory of teachers at that campus. Each teacher's name is linked to an About Me page. This page is what we will demonstrate editing today. Now that you've had a brief introduction to terminology and the basic layout of pages, let's log into the system to learn how to edit your teacher section. Click the link for user options in the My Start bar and select Sign In. You will be prompted for your username and password. You will use your district network credentials to sign into the site. Enter your credentials and click Sign In. Click the User Options link again and select Site Manager. You are now in the Section Workspace Editor. Any sections you have permission to edit will appear here. Each teacher has permission to edit their own section and pages within that section. Your teacher section is named by your last name and first name. Remember, this is linked to the Teachers channel on your campus page. You'll see a few tabs in this area. Today we will focus on the Summary tab where you can begin editing your About Me page. Click the page title link. The page layout pops out from the right side of the screen. We have set the layout and added the apps for you in order to maintain some consistency across the district. On the right side of the screen, you will see an Apps tab and the Layouts tab. Your current layout has 4 regions available and is indicated by the green selection box. We are only using 3 of the 4 regions. Your About Me page is using the Teacher app, a Content app, and a Quick Links app. You can see that there are a variety of apps to choose from. To edit the content in an app, hover over the app in the Page Layout section and click the Edit button or green circle with the pencil. Let's start with the About Teacher app. This app has 2 sections to complete. Fill in your name. This is a required field. The prefix area is optional. You will be adding a brief biography in the Biography section. If you are copying and pasting this information from a different source, select the Paste as Text option, then use the Ctrl-V shortcut to paste your text. This will remove all formatting from your source. You have a few formatting options for this area. For the bulk of the website content, we highlighted the text and changed the font size to normal to appear a little more readable on the site. To add a photo, click the Select File button. The Upload Image option is highlighted by default. Click the Browse button and navigate to the photo file you want to upload. If your image is wider than 150 pixels, the image will automatically be resized. Click Continue, then click Insert Image. Click Save. Click the Details link. Complete the email address, phone, and degrees and certifications fields. The phone number can be directed to your main campus number if you do not have a class phone line or you prefer not to have your classroom phone number posted. In the top right corner of the app, click the App Options button. Change the app name to About Me. Place a check in the Show the App Name on My Page selection box. And click Save. Click Save one more time in the Teacher app. Click the X in the top left corner to close the app. Now we need to make changes to 2 more apps. Click the Edit button on the Content app. In this section, you should provide some general information to the public. Possible options would be when you have planning time, the best contact method, and/or the best time to reach you, standard tutorial times, and things of that nature. Once again, select all your text and change the font size to normal. Click on the App Options button in the top right corner. Name the app General Information and make sure you select Show the app name on my page. Save your app options and save the changes you made to this Content app. Click the X to close the Content app. The last app we need to complete is the Quick Links app. This is a place where you can link to resources you want accessible to the public from your teacher page. For example, if you use an app like ClassDojo, you can easily create a quick link here. You can post a link to a syllabus, or some of you may maintain a Google site where you keep information about your classes stored. Those items can be easily linked here as well. To add a link, click the Edit button. Click the New Link button. Fill in the title of your new link in the link text field. Type the full web address or paste the address in the web address field. Adjust how you would like this link to open in the target field. You can have the link open in the same page or open in a new window. Click Save. You can rearrange the order of your links by clicking on the Organize Links button. Drag the links in the order you would like to see them or sort them in alphabetical order. Once you have completed your Quick Links list, click I'm Done at the bottom of the Quick Links editor. You can preview your site by clicking on the Preview button. When you are finished editing each of your apps, close the page layout by clicking on the X in the top left corner. That's a quick overview to get you started editing your About Me page. If you are a new teacher and cannot sign in, or you do not have a section to edit, please let your campus ILS know. He or she can give us the information so we can get you added to our website. If you have any questions or need a little extra help, feel free to call the help desk at 393-6966.